Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm going to present our paper entitled Monitoring Human Muscle Signal Using Electromyography Sensor Based on Internet of Things. This paper was written by Robi Hanapi, Irmayatul Hikmah, and Anjar Taufik Hidayat from Faculty of Telecommunication and Electrical Engineering, Institut Teknologi Telkom Purwokerto. Background: currently, electromyography or EMG devices still do not have direct integration with website or application, and they are also not yet capable of automatically storing patient data record digitally. Data collection still need to be done manually or on-site. However, the emergence of Internet of Things or IoT-based muscle signal detection device can provide convenience for medical professionals. With the technology, medical personnel can examine examination results in patient through Android device or laptops, as well as store the record digital data result. There are 3 points that I raise in the formulation of the problem include for one, how to design an electromyography EMG sensor circuit to identify the muscle signal response in biceps and gastrocnemius muscles. And two, how to detect difference in voltage signals output under various muscles conditions. And third, how to display muscle signals voltage on Blink IoT. Purpose of the study: 1. Creating an electromyography sensor system to detect the muscle signal response of the human arm and legs. 2. Detection variance in signal output voltage under different muscle condition. And third, can display the magnitude of muscle signal voltage on Blink IoT platform. Muscles are body tissue that contract or flex to generate movement, both consciously and unconsciously. Muscles are a vital part of the human musculoskeletal system. They consist of fibers that work together to produce force and motion. Muscles also play a role in maintaining body posture, generating heat, and sustaining internal body function. There are several types of muscles, including skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles, all of which have different structure and functions. Internet of Things or IoT is a system composed of various devices, including computational, mechanical, and digital devices, where each device has a unique identification and the ability to transmit data through network like LoRaWAN or the Internet without human intervention. Electromyography or EMG is a discipline that deals with the detection, analysis, and utilization of electrical signals derived from muscle contraction. Data acquisition of such electrical signals is done using an electromyograph instrument, and the records are called electromyograms. Node MCU. Node MCU is an electronic board based on the ESP8266 chip with the ability to carry out microcontroller function and also an internet connection. There are several input-output pins so that it can be developed into monitoring or controlling application for IoT projects. Blink is an iOS and Android operating system platform for controlling Arduino modules, Raspberry Pi ESP8266, and other similar devices over the internet. The application is able to control hardware remotely. In this research begins with a literature study to find and study reference related to this research, followed by the system designing path, which is divided into two stages, namely hardware designer and software designer. After the system is complete, the next step is to testing the system that has been designed before, whether the system is running as expected or not. If not, it will be reviewed at the system design stage, followed by data retrieval, then data analysis, and finally the conclusion of the research. For the block diagram, at the input there are electrodes and electromyographic sensor as muscle signal detector. Then in the process there is Node MCU as a data processing microcontroller, and at the output there is Blink and laptop as a system output viewer. Hardware design produces the magnitude of muscle voltage in various conditions in volt, with the output display on Blink IoT. The components within this hardware include electromyography sensor, Node MCU ESP8266, Node MCU baseplate, 9-volt battery, and gel electrode. Here is a sample result from testing the device on the bicep muscles, showing a noticeable difference on the shape of the muscle signal between extension and flexion condition. Uh, on picture A, bicep muscle before load treatment during extension. Picture B, bicep muscle before load treatment during flexion, and picture C, bicep muscle after load treatment during extension, and picture D, bicep muscle after load treatment during flexion. The following is an average voltage value in the bicep muscle, showing an increase in voltage both before the load treatment and after the load treatment in all 5 subjects, with the label on graph A before the presence of load treatment in the extension condition, B after the presence of load treatment in the extension condition, C before the presence of load treatment in the flexion condition, and D after the presence of load treatment in the flexion condition. Here is a sample result from testing the device on the gastrocnemius muscle showing a noticeable difference in the shape of the muscle signal between extension and flexion condition. On picture A, bicep muscle before load treatment during extension. B. Muscle bicep muscle before load treatment during flexion. Uh, and picture C, bicep muscle after load treatment during extension. And picture D, bicep muscle after load treatment during flexion. The following are the average value of the voltage magnitude in the gastrocnemius muscle. An increase in the voltage can be observed both before the introduction of the load treatment and after the load treatment in all 5 subjects, with the label on graph A before the presence of load treatment in the extension condition, B after the presence of load treatment in the extension condition, C before the presence of load treatment in the flexion condition, and D after the presence of the load treatment in the flexion condition. Digital data recording in Blink can be downloaded directly from the Blink platform. In addition to being downloadable directly from the platform, digital data recordings can also be sent via email, which is previously connected to Blink. And this conclusion in the research. 1. The muscle signal monitoring system using electromyography sensor is successfully designed and can read muscle signals, torque, and node MCU ESP8266 connected to the internet with data visualization on the Blink IoT platform. 2. The voltage value in the gastrocnemius muscle is higher compared to the bicep muscle, with an average voltage value before load treatment in extension condition being 8.185 volt and flexion condition being 10.685 volt. Meanwhile, after the muscle has undergone load treatment, there is an increase in voltage value, namely 14.885 volt in the extension condition and 18.028 volt in the flexion condition. And third, the device successfully recorded and stored patient data in a digital format that can be downloaded as an Excel file or the sent via email. And this reference on my presentation. Thanks for your attention to my presentation, and I do apologize if there's any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.